What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite stylist, Semone, and I am here today with CurlyMe collection. And they sent me a 26-inch deep curly lace frontal wig, and as you guys can see, it looks really amazing. The hair is true to length. It was little to no shedding. Like, I didn't really get a lot of shedding a lot. And this is the package that it came in. The logo is like super duper cute. The lace is like extra thin, so it has like a really great meltdown. And as you guys can see, this curl pattern is so amazing. And also, this wig doesn't get thin towards the end. This is after I bleached the knots. It's, you know, they bleach really well. And right now I'm just positioning the wig on her head exactly where I want it to lay. My client does have a low hairline, so it's gonna be a little different the way I install it, because I don't want to bring the wig down too far due to the fact that she already have a low hairline. So just watch me work. After I position the wig exactly where I want it to lay, I'm gonna cut around the ears on both sides. So towards the middle of the hairline on the lace, I'm gonna be cutting back into it just to make sure that I don't glue the lace too far down on her forehead. So I'm gonna cut like right in front of the hairline, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna customize it the same way.
Damn, I really fucked up this time. I think I took it too far. I don't even tell her this shit. She be keeping it so cheap, man. I got to.
So I'm going to be customizing her hairline as if in like it's kind of a natural baby hair to no baby hair look, because when your client has a low hairline, I'm sure that they don't want like dramatic baby hairs. They want like something natural because they don't want it to come too far down towards their brows.
As the FaceTime ends, I just call somebody over to replace you just before done. But to be honest, girl, I'm tired.
And y'all know I like to go in and use my hot comb as I'm plucking, just so I can smooth the hairs out and to see how my hairline is gonna look before I glue it down.
Don't even matter if I risk it all. It's been weighing.
So I'm doing 3 layers of ghost bun. I'm applying my layers in dots, or I'm gonna apply in solid lines. It really doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. And I'm smoothing with my fingers. I know people say like you can use a stick, you can use a comb. I like to use my fingers because I have better control with my fingers, and I don't like for the glue to go anywhere where the lace is not gonna be at, because it's just gonna cause mess to me. So I like to use my fingers.
Like what the fuck? Like, you think that shit cute? You been singing and doing?
And by the way, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I was kind of like scraping up glue throughout this whole video. So I know y'all gonna see me like dumping it on the back of my hand. I don't usually do that. I usually just, you know, squeeze it out in dots. But this was like my last bottle and the store was closed, so I'm gonna be doing the ghetto shit.
To tell you so that I ain't perfect, but you ain't deserve it. It wasn't worth it. She was just thirsty. Started conversing, I could've swerved it. The room that I purchased, she left the person, came back reversed it. 2 times on purpose. Now she's late, I'm nervous. She's for certain now. And I gotta tell you how I feel. Don't even matter if I risk it all. It's been weighing heavy on my heart. Gotta get it off. But it's better me than some other bitch. These are my confessions.
Wow. Like really? And honestly, I do want to leave you, but how can I leave my first love? The fact that I want to stay made me want to leave. I want to leave made me want to stay. Like, just really get right before you get left. Everybody telling me to leave and I deserve better, but I know you're better for me. So just be the nigga I know you are, and just leave that shit in the past. Like,
My house ain't a home.
just leave it in the past. Like, I know you.
Hey, I know I usually don't just express myself and open up to you, but I gotta right my wrongs. So this for you. Yeah. Hey.
Hey, I know you fed up, shit, but you still keep your head up. Praying we get better, we just need a leg up. Ay, get it back together, you know time is precious, and I don't wanna waste that. Another girl can't replace that. Trying to tell you that with you is where I'm safe at. Righting all my wrongs, can't erase that. Got a man up.
So after you're done applying your layers and the glue is all dry clear, you can lay your lace. I know I'm always in the way, like in the way of the camera when it's time to lay the lace, but I'm gonna have to make a video like standing to the side because I feel like I'm not really giving y'all, the full view. But it's really you just laying the lace directly on top of where you applied the glue. And you want to make sure you keep the tension and stuff like that just so it will stick. And you want to go through and comb with your comb just to make sure everything is snug before you start cutting.
And you gon' come back to where you're supposed to be. I still feel like it's hard for me. I just want you to notice me, yeah. Hey, I wanna get it back, Hey, can we get it back, Can we get it back?
After you've laid the lace in place and everything is like snug or whatever, you can go in with your blow dryer and blow dry for a couple minutes just to make sure that the glue and everything is dry before you cut.
Hey, can we get it back, Hey, I wanna get it back,
So I'm removing the excess lace with some shears that I purchased from a local beauty supply store. I think the brand was Annie. And they were like the smallest scissors in the store. But I actually want to find some smaller ones just because the smaller scissors allow you to get as close as possible to the lace.
All night, baby, you should fuck with me, outside, please don't tell me that you're busy, nah. Make time, even if it's for a minute, that's all I need, really. I can't let you just forget me. Fuck them niggas being friendly. They been plotting on our ending since we finished. Don't be blind to it. Nah, don't let your pride do it. Hey, I'm trying to let you know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. And I need you to know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. Get it back.
Hey, so I'm righting my wrongs. Yeah, gotta get it back, yeah. Gotta get it back, yeah.
Now it's time to customize the baby hair and the sideburns. I like to part off my sideburns first just to go ahead and get that out the way and just to, determine how I'm going to do them. But as you guys know, like I said earlier in the video, I'm not going to be doing no like dramatic baby hairs on her because of her hairline. And she really doesn't want it to be, so close to her brows. So we're going to do something really, really natural. And we're going to do her baby hairs more so on the lace versus doing it like on the forehead area.
Need a leg up, ay. Get it back together, you know time is precious, and I don't wanna waste that. Another girl can't replace that. Trying to tell you that with you is where I'm safe at. Righting all my wrongs, can't erase that. Gotta man up and face that. Gotta stand up and take back the one I love the most.
Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and construct her part just because I want to do baby hairs that looks good with the part. Like I have to construct your part before I do baby hairs, unless it's like a flip method or something, because I really like to make my baby hairs match the part, if you know what I'm saying.
It's no case why you do that, knowing that I see your every movement. Since you say you done, you gotta prove it. Gonna have your fun, but it's useless. Cause I know you can never get over me, and you gon' come back to where you're supposed to be. I still feel like it's hope for me. I just want you to notice me, yeah. Hey, I wanna get it back, get it back. Hey, can we get it back, get it back? Can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back, get it back. Hey, can we get it back, get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back, get it back, get it back. And I need you to know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back, get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back, get it back, get it back. Hey, listen, can we get it back, yeah? Hey, can we backtrack, yeah, to the beginning of the past before we got where we at, yeah? Back when we were still attached, yeah. Now we disconnected like your service changed your number, it's a wrap. Now I don't know where you at, can't find you on the map, yeah. Hey, gotta face the facts, yeah. You're moving on, but I still can't deal with that. I've been driving through the city, babe, all night, baby. You should fuck with me, outside. Please don't tell me that you're busy, nah. Make time, even if it's for a minute, that's all I need, really. I can't let you just forgive me. Fuck them niggas being friendly. They been plotting on our ending since we finished. Don't be blind to it. Nah, don't let your pride do it. Hey, I'm trying to let you know I wanna get it back. Get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Get it back. Can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. Get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Get it back. Hey, I wanna get it back. Get it back. Get it back. And I need you to know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Get it back. Hey, I wanna get it back. Get it back. Get it back.
Hey, so I'm righting my wrongs. Yeah, gotta get it back, yeah. Gotta get it back, yeah.
And I'm using Gorilla Snot Gel in the yellow bottle to sleek her edges. I know I'm all in the way of the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to have to redo, like, a tutorial for baby hairs because I be all in the camera. Okay, and as you guys can see, I'm doing the baby hairs more so on the lace just to keep from taking up, like, bringing it more so down on her forehead.
You might be young, but you ready for love. You ready to fuck, fresh out the shower, still covered in suds. No need to clean up, I want you face down, ass up. I'm tryna get rough, heard what you said, so I had to push up. To see if it's fluff, see if it's real. She on a pill, I'm on the weed. We fuck to the beat, pretty Ricky singing grind on me. I give her that pleasure, she loving it deep. Hopped off the bed cause we fucked up the sheets. Kitchen table, give me something to eat. Serve it to me, baby, bon appetit. You the beauty, baby, bring her the ain't fish. Nothing but a number, you old enough. So show me what you got inside your mind. It ain't nothing but a number. Don't hold me up. Show me what you got between your thighs. It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but a number. Nothing but a number, baby. Let me pull up on you, baby. We can do what you wanna, babe. I can put it all on you, baby. I know that you wanna be down, just getting out of the house. And you like them niggas that sang to it. Chris Breezy, I'm taking you down, taking you down. That's what you do for me. Girl, you a fool for me, but you still come through for me. Hold it down now. Poke it out now. It ain't nothing but a number. We can count It ain't now. Nothing but a number. You old enough. So show me what you got inside your mind. It ain't nothing but a number. Don't hold me up. Show me what you got between your thighs. It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but a It ain't nothing but a number.
Yeah. Slow this shit down.
You might be young, but you ready for love. You ready to fuck, fresh out the shower, still covered in suds. No need to clean up, I want you face down, ass up. I'm tryna get rough, heard what you said, so I had to push up. To see if it's fluff, see if it's real. She on a pill, I'm on the weed. We fuck to the beat. Pretty Ricky singing, grind on me. I give her that pleasure, she loving it deep. Hopped off the bed cause we fucked up the sheets. Kitchen table, give me something to eat. Serve it to me, baby, bon appetit. You the beauty, baby, bring her the It ain't fish. nothing but a number. You old enough, so show me what you got inside your mind. It ain't nothing but a number. Don't hold me up. Show me what you got between your thighs. It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but a nothing but a number, baby. Let me pull up on you, baby. We can do what you wanna, babe. I can put it all on you, baby. I know that you wanna be down, just getting out of the house. And you like them niggas that sang to it. Chris Breezy, I'm taking you down, taking you down. That's what you do for me, girl. You a fool for me.
Now that I'm done with the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and wet her hair down just to give it the wet look. Because, I don't know, I just love the wet look with long curly hair. And as you guys can see, this is only water that I'm spraying on her hair. And this hair is so amazing, y'all. Like, I really want another wig from them. Like, seriously. This is bomb.com.
Don't hold me up. Show me what you got between your thighs. It ain't nothing but a...
And the only product that I'm going to apply to this hair is Mixed Chicks Leave-In Conditioner. It allows your hair to keep the wet look even when it's dry. So I promise you, if you wear curly hair a lot, then you should definitely invest in that conditioner.
It ain't nothing but a... It ain't nothing but a number. Girl, whoever get that pussy after me gon' be a lucky man. And when you leave, I get so weak. When I'm with you, I feel like Superman. Girl, I'm gon' fuck around and have you wifed up. Your ex been calling cause I got you piped up. But I won't play about you, girl, I'm serious. No, I won't play about you, girl, I'm serious. I don't care who came before me, cause right now you belong to me. Don't entertain these niggas, say that pussy for only me. I'm so selfish and I'm jealous, I can't help it. Breathless, leave you breathless when we sexin'. Impatient for
Y'all, I can't even lie. This hair is so amazing. Like, look at the after. Look at how the hair looks. Like, it's so curly and it's just long and it's like the flat look. Like, okay, I like big curly hair, but sometimes I just want flat curly hair and I want it to have like nice waves to it. It's so pretty. Like, this is amazing, honestly. I take my hats off to this hair company because this is some good ass curly hair for real.
get that pussy after me, gon' be a lucky man. And when you leave, I get so weak. When I'm with you, I feel like Superman. Girl, I'm gon' fuck around and have you wifed up. Your ex been calling cause I got you piped up.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment what you would like to see next or a hair company I should work with, and share this video with a friend. Thank you guys, and follow my Instagram page at Semone Hair.
Made you feel unimportant when we first met, it was cordial. I need sex on the beach, so next week we going to Florida. Who you gon' fuck when the kid ain't around? Who you love, who been holding you down? Even back when we was fucking around, even back then I was all on your mind. If you leave me and somebody gon' take what's mine, ain't no leaving, can't no one replace my vibe. And I know you never thought that we would end up together.